Do you believe in mysteries? Around the world, there are places that defy logic, locations filled with unexplained disappearances, eerie phenomena, and spine-chilling legends. Today, join Tales of the World as we uncover the top 5 mysterious places on Earth that remain unsolved to this day. There is a place in the vast ocean where massive ships and modern aircraft suddenly vanish without a trace. A region shrouded in mystery, where compasses spin wildly, electronic devices malfunction, and distress signals are never answered. This is a place where time seems to stand still, where hundreds of disappearances have left the world in shock. Welcome to the Bermuda Triangle, one of the greatest mysteries of humankind. From ships that vanished without a single clue, flights that disappeared in broad daylight, to eerie theories of time warps, strange magnetic fields, or even the intervention of extraterrestrial beings. Can science explain this enigma, or is this truly a cursed region? Join us as we dive into the dark history, shocking disappearances, and the most thrilling theories surrounding the Bermuda Triangle. 1. What is the Bermuda Triangle? The Bermuda Triangle, also known as the Devil's Triangle, is a mysterious region in the western part of the Atlantic Ocean. It is roughly defined by 3 points: Miami, Florida, USA, San Juan, Puerto Rico, Bermuda Island. This triangular area covers approximately 500,000 square miles, 1.3 million square kilometers. Over the years, it has gained a reputation for being a dangerous place where ships and planes disappear without explanation. 2. Mysterious disappearances. Flight 19, 1945. On December 5, 1945, a squadron of 5 TBM Avenger bombers took off from Florida for a routine training mission. The pilots reported their compasses malfunctioning and said they were lost. Their final message: "Everything looks strange. We are completely lost." The planes disappeared without a trace, and even a rescue plane sent after them vanished the same day. USS Cyclops, 1918. The USS Cyclops, a 165-meter-long naval cargo ship, was carrying 309 crew members when it disappeared between Barbados and Baltimore. No SOS signals were sent, and no wreckage has ever been found. Douglas DC-3 flight, 1948. A Douglas DC-3 aircraft carrying 32 passengers vanished while flying from Puerto Rico to Miami. No distress call was made, and no debris was found. Mary Celeste, 1872. The ghost ship. The Mary Celeste was found drifting in the Atlantic, completely intact but with no crew on board. Food was still on the table, cargo untouched, but the people had vanished. 3. Scientific theories behind the mystery. Powerful ocean currents. The Gulf Stream, one of the strongest ocean currents, flows through the Bermuda Triangle. It can quickly carry away wreckage, making it nearly impossible to find lost ships or planes. Methane gas explosions. Scientists suggest that methane gas trapped under the ocean floor can erupt suddenly, reducing water density and causing ships to sink instantly. Magnetic anomalies. Some researchers believe that the Bermuda Triangle has unusual magnetic fields, which may interfere with navigation systems and make compasses behave erratically. Magnetic anomalies. Some researchers believe that the Bermuda Triangle has unusual magnetic fields, which may interfere with navigation systems and make compasses behave erratically. In the vast, desolate desert of Turkmenistan, there is a place that has been burning for over 50 years. A massive crater where flames never die, consuming everything in a blazing red glow. From afar, it looks like a gateway leading straight to the underworld. People call it the door to hell, one of the most breathtaking and terrifying sights on Earth. But what caused this place to burn endlessly? A human mistake? A mystery of nature? Or is there truly some unknown force awakening beneath the ground? Join us as we uncover the dark history, the thrilling legends, and the astonishing truths about the door to hell, a fiery pit that has never stopped burning for more than half a century. Are you ready to step into the flames? Deep in the heart of Central Asia, in the vast and unforgiving Karakum Desert, lies a place unlike any other on Earth. Not because of the scorching sun, but because of an eternal fire that burns straight from the ground. People call it the Gates of Hell, one of the world's strangest and most mysterious natural phenomena. Located in Ahal province, about 260 kilometers north of Turkmenistan's capital, Ashgabat, the Darvaza gas crater is an awe-inspiring sight. To reach it, one must embark on a challenging journey through the endless dunes of the Karakum Desert, one of the largest deserts in the world, covering 70% of Turkmenistan. From afar, its glow lights up the darkness like a giant torch left behind by an ancient force. As you approach, the heat becomes unbearable, making it nearly impossible to stand too close. The crater is 70 meters in diameter, nearly 30 meters deep, and filled with roaring flames that have been burning for over 50 years. But how did this fiery pit come to be? And why does it continue to burn? The answer lies in a human-made disaster from decades ago. The origin: a deadly mistake by humans. In 1971, when Turkmenistan was still part of the Soviet Union, Soviet scientists arrived in this area searching for natural gas reserves. They drilled deep into the ground, hoping to extract the vast amounts of gas trapped beneath the desert. But then, disaster struck. During the drilling process, they accidentally hit a massive underground gas pocket. The pressure was so intense that the ground collapsed, creating a gigantic crater in an instant. However, the real danger was just beginning. Methane gas started leaking rapidly, posing a serious threat to the environment, humans, and animals alike. Faced with this crisis, the scientists made a decision they believed would solve the problem: set the crater on fire to burn off the gas within a few weeks. But they were terribly wrong. The fire erupted violently, and weeks passed, then months, then years. Yet, the flames never stopped burning. Decades later, the fire still rages, turning this place into one of the most enigmatic hotspots on the planet. Unsolved mysteries. Why has the fire been burning for over half a century? This is a question that has puzzled many scientists. Some theories suggest that the area sits atop a massive natural gas reserve, continuously feeding the flames. However, no one knows the exact size of the gas pocket or if it will ever run out. Superstitious locals believe this is an actual gateway to another world. Some legends claim that spirits are trapped within the flames, destined to burn for eternity. Even more mysteriously, at times, eerie sounds have been reported coming from the crater, strange humming noises and distant rumbles, as if something is moving beneath the earth. The Gates of Hell today, would you dare to visit? Today, the Darvaza gas crater has become one of the most unusual tourist attractions in the world. Every year, many daring travelers venture into the Karakum Desert just to witness this unearthly spectacle firsthand. But there's growing concern. The Turkmenistan government is considering extinguishing the fire due to environmental concerns and the waste of valuable natural gas. Would you dare to stand before the gates of hell? If you were to look into its depths, would you feel the scorching heat just from the flames, or something even more mysterious lurking beneath? Stay tuned as we continue exploring the world's greatest mysteries in our upcoming episodes.